Hey beauties! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the family, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, guys, you have my whole heart. So finally, our first hit video on the channel. Hey! Yes, it's our first one. I'll be installing, obviously you don't know which hair, but hair from Deluxe Hair Studio. It's an 8-inch wig, and I don't know how to install hair. I've tried watching videos. Well, I have watched videos, so hopefully that will help. But yeah, so guys, there's no electricity at home, and I can't use my hair dryer to lay this hair down. I can't use a straightener to straighten it, so we gotta make things work. And I can't postpone the video because I don't know when else they're gonna take the electricity away. So I apologize for the lighting as well. Like I said, there's no electricity, so please bear with me. But yeah, stay tuned. And if you're not yet subscribed to my family, yeah, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Join in on the family, join in on the madness. Let's have some fun. First things first, I didn't go plait my hair because there's no because, I just didn't go. So I'm literally just gonna comb it back, and I'm gonna tie it. I'm gonna tie it down here, right? Like so. Right? And then I'm gonna get wig cap. I know it's not brown, but I don't know where to buy these things. I really don't know. I'm just gonna put this on my head. This is just gonna help me flatten my hair. And I don't want to put on my hairline because my hairline is already non-existent, okay? So yeah, wig cap is on. And then because the lace is still on, I'm gonna cut it. And I know some people cut it while it's already glued on, but because this is our first time, we're just gonna cut it now, and hopefully I don't make a mess because guys, okay, obviously I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I'll show you in the end. It's going okay so far. I think I'm doing the right thing. I hope I'm doing the right thing. Okay, so it's off, and yeah, that's where we're at right now. Hope you can even see what I'm showing you, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna put it on. I would have really loved to straighten this, but it is what it is. It is what it do. We just gotta go with the flow. So I'm just gonna use these two thingies, these two hooks, and I'm gonna clip them at the back just to hold my wig. Now the wig cap has where you can hook it in, but I don't like using that. I just prefer hooking these two in to each other. So I hope it's straight. Hold on, I need to see what I'm doing. Okay, it's in the middle. Guys, this is fun. I'm actually learning something. And I'm learning it with you guys. Like, stiff way, huh? Wow. So I already have makeup on, and well, I did a good job at cutting this lace because it's not really showing. But for the purpose of this video, we're gonna actually glue it down and not leave it as is. So let me just zoom you in. Okay, so I clipped it back. There's a part that is called plucking, whereby you pluck here and make it look more natural, but we're not gonna do that today. No ma'am, no ma'am. Maybe as time goes by, but definitely not today. So I pulled out a few hairs and I'm gonna cut them to make baby hair, right guys? Oh, I'm scared. Like, I literally am scared. Wish me luck. Okay, it's still long. Still too long. I think I'm just gonna cut them straight. Okay, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I can see what I'm doing. I just hope you can. But I'm gonna take, I haven't stuck it on. Whose child am I? I'm gonna use the Got2b glue spray as well as the glue. So I'm gonna start off with the glue itself. And yeah. So as you can see, I've been fanning for so long. Part of it is tacky and part of it is still wet, but because some parts are tacky, I'm just gonna stick it down just so it doesn't dry up. So wish me luck. Okay, so she's stuck. She is stuck. Alright, I'm just gonna go back and clip this again. Oh, and I put it towards the side because I wanted the fringe part. I hope you understand what I'm saying, because I wouldn't know how else to explain what I'm saying. Okay, and I'm just gonna go back and take all the baby hair that I had made earlier, if I can find it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't find all of it. I'm finding a little bit, but we'll find it. I'm just gonna use my olive mousse and I'm gonna put it at the back of my hand. Then I'm gonna take a normal toothbrush. Well, it's not normal because it doesn't work anymore, but you understand. And I'm gonna brush it down. I'm not gonna leave it like that. Okay, hold on. I'm just brushing them first so I can see what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, and I think it shows, but we move, we're learning, you know, like it says in the title, learning how to install the wig. Yeah, that is dismal. Yo dismal work. Terrible. I think we should just stop there. I think so. I think we should leave it there and yeah, get someone to help us learn how to put this, because wow, let me just brush it. This is harder than it looks. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm probably making it look hard because it is hard, but I'll zoom you guys. Okay guys, that's it. That's the end of this video of me learning how to install a wig, and I didn't do too bad. I mean, it's stuck. You know, that's all that matters right now, is that she's stuck to my head. But I promise I will learn. Close the door. I promise I will learn how to install a wig, and I will give you guys an updated version. But that's it from me. I hope you guys like this video. Please leave me comments down in the comment section. How did you think I did? I know I did bad, but anyway, I just want to know how you guys felt. And please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Yes, you guys, please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I will catch you guys on my next video. I love you all. Bye.